अस्सलाम वालेकुम। आज का हमारा टॉपिक है मॉडल ऑफ कंज्यूमर बिहेवियर। मार्केटिंग कंसिस्ट ऑफ द फोर पीस प्रोडक्ट, प्राइस, प्लेस एंड प्रमोशन। अदर इंक्लूड मेजर फोर्सेस एंड इवेंट्स इन द बायर इन्वायरमेंट, इकोनॉमिक, टेक्नोलॉजिकल, पॉलिटिकल एंड कल्चरल। Model of consumer behavior. Factors influencing consumer behavior. Markets have to be understood before marketing can be developed. People using consumer markets buy goods and services for personal consumption. Consumers vary in age, income, education, taste and other factors. आ गया cultural, social, personal, buyer. We can say that following factor can influence the buying decision of the buyer: cultural, social, personal, psychological. आ गया कल्चरल फैक्टर। हम देखते हैं कल्चरल फैक्टर क्या होता है। कल्चरल फैक्टर द ब्रॉडेस्ट and deepest influence on consumer behavior. The marketer needs to understand the role played by the buyer, cultural, subculture and social class. Culture is the most basic cause of person want and behavior. Human behavior is learned growing up in a society. A child learn basic value, wants and behavior from the family and other important institution. Subculture. Each culture contains smaller subculture or group of people with shared value system based on common life experience and situation. Subcultures include nationalities, religion, groups and geographic region. फिर है सोशल क्लास। ऑलमोस्ट एवरी सोसाइटी हैज़ सम फॉर्म ऑफ सोशल क्लास स्ट्रक्चर. Social classes are society relatively permanent and ordered division. Those members share similar value, interest and behavior. Social class is not determined by a single factor such as income, but is measured as a combination of occupation, income, education, wealth and other variables. Social factor. Our consumer behavior also is influenced by social factors such as the consumer, small groups, family and social rules and status. Groups. Many small groups influence a person behavior. Groups that have a direct influence and to which a person belong are called membership group. In contrast, reference group serve as direct or indirect points of comparison or reference informing a person attitude or behavior. Reference groups to which they do not belong often influence people. The important group of influence varies across product and brand. It tends to be strongest when the product is visible to others whom the buyer respect. Purchases of products that are bought and used privately are not most affected by group influences because neither the product nor the brand will be noticed by others. Family member can strongly influence buyer behavior. The family is the most important consumer buying organization in society and it has been researched extensively. Marketer and interested in the role and influence of the husband, wife, children on the purchase of different products and services. For example, it run ad to It ran ads to these backseat consumer in sport for kids which attract mostly 8 to 14-year-old boys. We were kidding ourselves when we think kids are does not aware of brand, says brand manager, adding that even she was surprised at how often parents told her that kids played a type-breaking role in deciding which car to buy. Rule and status. A person belong to many group, family, clubs, organization. The person position in each group can be defined in terms of both rule and status. A rule consists of the activities people are expected to perform according to the person around them. थैंक यू सो मच। ये आज का हमारा टॉपिक था, आप लोग देख सकते हैं। ओके, अल्लाह हाफिज़।